Hello everyone, Habibi here. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to share one Unity package that I've made for you. It is a joystick. Yes, I've created a joystick package that you can use it without any coding needed. So if you are making a game that needs a joystick, you don't need to code that joystick yourself. So please, you can use my simple joystick. I name it MyJoystick. This is a Unity package. You can drag and drop it. Wait, you can drag and drop that package to your project like this. You can import it. Select everything and hit import. Okay, here we go. Here inside this MyJoystick folder, I've created a test scene. Let's open it. Here you can see a sphere and a plane. Let me drag this player object, this sphere object upward a bit. Okay, and if you run this game, you have a joystick here. You can move the player by moving this joystick. I know the movement is so small, but you can increase the speed here. Find that object, this my player, and let's say we have 200 as its speed. Now let's move them. Let's move it. You can see the ball is moving by moving this joystick, virtual joystick. Let me increase it to 400 and move it. It can run faster. It can move faster. Okay, this is the test scene that I've made. Inside this Unity package you can find this test scene. What if you want to create the scene yourself? So let me show you. Let's create a scene. We have an empty scene here, sample scene. Then to use the joystick, you can go to the folder, and here is the prefab. You can drag and drop it here. Now in this prefab, it is canvas prefab. You have the joystick UI element here. Let me zoom it. By default, position of the joystick is here. It is at the center. You can move it anywhere you want. For example, this side. Let me move it a bit here. 150 and maybe like this. And then you need to create a player object. Go to game object and create for example, sphere. Let's go to the 3D mode, zoom it, reset the position to the 0, 0 and 0, zoom it again by pressing F button. And one thing you need to do is to add a plane as a ground. Okay, let's scale it up. Here for the player, we need to add a rigid body to this object. So here you can type rigid. Sorry, you cannot see this part. you can just add rigid body. Maybe you know how to do that. I'm sure you know. So after adding rigid body, you need to drag and drop this my player script to the sphere. Then activate or click this sphere object, go to the my player script. This part you need to specify the speed. I prefer 400, and here we need to drag and drop the my joystick object or prefab. I don't know, this one, not the canvas but my joystick. Drag and drop this thing to its place. Drag and drop my joystick to this slot. Then you are ready to use the joystick. Let's run the game. Move the player. So you can try this plugin. You can download it on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope see you next time soon. Bye bye.